Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Department of Sports and Youth Affairs facilitates medal winners and coaches of the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022. Minister of Community and Rural Development lays the foundation stone for construction of the integrated block complex of Amlarem CNRD. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Party organized town hall conversation with women at Biva Road in Shillong. And climate resilient infrastructure for better healthcare, MOU signed between Selco Foundation and District Administration Bhuj. The news in detail. The Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched a sports scholarship scheme and felicitated the medal winners and coaches of 2nd Northeast Olympic Games 2022 on Friday at Ususatham Auditorium. At the program, the Chief Minister informed that every medal winner will get a scholarship from the month of January from the government of Meghalaya. The Chief Minister expressed hope that Meghalaya will bag the top spot in the next Northeast Olympics. Meanwhile, the Commissioner and Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Vijay Kumar, said that through the scholarship scheme, athletes get some money so that it keeps them and their family motivated.
That this Northeast Olympics has been a really great experience for all of us, and it really was something that a lot of people did not expect and did not think that Northeast and the state of Meghalaya could actually organize a game like this. And from day one we have been very clear in our minds that we really are here to raise the bar for all of us.
The Minister of Community and Rural Development, Hamletson Darling, along with Minister of Education Department, Home Police, etc., Lakman Rimbui, today laid the foundation stone for construction of the integrated block complex of Amlarem CNRD block at a function held at Football Ground, Amlarem. It was informed that the funds have been sanctioned with an estimated cost of 2.50 crores, in which the construction work will start soon. Speaking on the occasion, Darling said that the laying of the foundation for the construction of new office building has been made possible because of the commitment of the MDA government for the development of the region.
Juki paiba lakam tam jog nomi keman leso bakamle ke kamra bunga bansu 7 kilo di joki skor mar nara ikani kemat bani kendu yo chi musta bani keren yong pesar kak chobolet ngawan spo garhus ngawan spo riboy ngawan spo wesasus spo janhus baro don tang jojunam brei bagjubam betbam yang joki block office jungi.
Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Party on Thursday organized a town hall conversation with women at Biva Road in Shillong, which was addressed by Dr. Mukul Sangma, Trinamool Congress Legislature Party leader and the leader of opposition. The objective of the event was to build more human connection between the leader of the masses and the local female residents of the area. A large congregation of women across the city from all walks of life enthusiastically came forward with their questions, which were addressed by Dr. Sangma. During the interactive session, a question on women's inclusion in the political scenario of Meghalaya was pertinently raised by a female resident.
To enable women to take this as a space where they must actively get involved in our democratic system and see how together we can bring the right kind of change that we desire to see. And it's quite encouraging because it has been endeavor though, but then have we actually been able to get aspiring women to really take a kind of resolve to be in public life. I think it has been an endeavor by every political party.
A Memorandum of Understanding MOU was signed yesterday between Selco Foundation and the District Administration of Ribhoy, led by Arpit Upadhyaya, Deputy Commissioner for the construction of 8 climate-resilient and solar-powered labour and delivery rooms in health and wellness centres to strengthen maternal and child care. The MOU was signed in the presence of delegates and government health representatives from Meghalaya and Sierra Leone, Ethiopia and Burkina Faso as part of a learning exchanging program to replicate innovative processes and program designed to improve healthcare outcomes through sustainable built environment and decentralized renewable energy.
This MOU, Selco has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward, and after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in Ribhoy district. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have Selco Foundation with as a partner.
The Office of District Sports Officer, West Janta Hills District, today organized a workshop cum awareness program on Yes Meghalaya scheme. The DSO Krubok Pasar informed that from West Janta Hills, there are only 70 plus applicants who have applied for the scheme till date. On this backdrop, the Sports Office held this awareness to all the registered sports and youth club sports association within the district to inform them in relation with the Yes Meghalaya grant in AIDS. The DSO urged upon association, clubs and organization to take up these benefits given by the government.
Appeal, one problem ye kuwan office ye chamanga him gani kubu klipi he will give you apply. Nimham to man go man very easy ba apply. The karpa ay gi pajba yung district wa chang ba bichun ko kubu wo apply ye gani ga Yes Meghalaya scheme.
The ICAR Umyam organizes a 2-day international symposium to combat recurrent threats of livestock and zoonotic diseases in the region on the 1st and 2nd December. The ICAR brought together national and international experts to discuss the roads ahead at the International Symposium on Zoonotic and Transboundary Diseases. The 2-day event witnessed participants from all over the country, Veterinary Department of Meghalaya and International Livestock Research Institute, Nairobi, and touched upon crucial aspects for control of transboundary and zoonotic diseases. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 22.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 9.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 52%, while in the evening it was 66%. Forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Department of Sports and Youth Affairs facilitates medal winners and coaches of the 2nd Northeast Olympic Games 2022. Minister of Community and Rural Development lays the foundation stone for construction of the integrated block complex of Amlarem CNRD. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Party organized town hall conversation with women at Bivar Road in Shillong. And climate-resilient infrastructure for better healthcare, MOU signed between Selco Foundation and District Administration, Ribhoy. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.